viewers, you're watching the Edu Bulletin's exclusive coverage of the Education and Career Fair 2026, held at Hotel de Roses, Meerut, Kant. Organized by the Times of India, the event brought together universities, students, and parents to explore higher education opportunities. Watch the key highlights and insights from university representatives.
Hello viewers, this is me Sakshi Shukla and you are watching the Edu Bulletin. Today we are here at Hotel de Roses, Meerut, Kant, where Education and Career Fair 2026 is being organized by Times of India. Here there are so many universities which have exhibited their stalls. They are here, students are here to ask guidance from the universities, and universities are sharing their what courses they are offering and how they can help the students in choosing the right career. We can see there is IIMT University, we have the SRM Institute of Science and Technology, we have the Vidya University. All the teachers, all the, I would say, the mentors are here to tell students that how they can particularly choose the field they are more interested in. Sir, how is the experience being here, and have students showed so much interest in participating in preparing for the NDA and CDS?
एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन. स्टूडेंट शोज अ लॉट ऑफ सीरियसनेस और वो अच्छे से आ रहे हैं और बातें कर रहे हैं. फ्यूचर को लेकर कंसर्न है, स्पेशली डिफेंस को लेकर बहुत इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे हैं. एंड ये अच्छा लगा है देखकर कि एक यूथ देश के लिए इतनी अर्ली एज में कुछ करने के लिए तैयार है.
तो हमारे पास जो कोर्सेज हैं, जैसे हमारा इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट हो गया, मैनेजमेंट हो गया और फार्मेसी हो गया, लॉ डिपार्टमेंट में है. बात करते हैं, शॉर्टली बात करते हैं कि जैसे बीटेक की बात करें. बीटेक हमारे पास में हम एक टॉप क्लास प्लेसमेंट के साथ में हम लोग बीटेक दे रहे हैं और सबसे लोएस्ट फीस एज ए यूनिवर्सिटी, इस सबसे लोएस्ट फीस पे हम लोग बच्चों को बीटेक दे रहे हैं विद commitment of placement.
So first we would like to know about you and also about the Subharti University. Though it is a name in Meerut, it is a renowned university, but still what courses do you offer and what was the experience? आज बच्चे जो यहाँ पे आए उन्होंने कैसे कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस रहा और किस चीज़ के बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने आपसे पूछा?
Jai Hind. Subharti University offers, as you asked, for courses. We had 18 various colleges in our campus, right from the medical wing, MBBS, MD, BDS, MDS, and from the non-medical wing, it's engineering, it's diploma courses. We have traditional BA and BCom, BSc courses, journalism, and management courses we are offering, and we are have a bouquet. You can name the course, and we can offer this course to you. We had already these courses, and more than 1 lakh alumni are with us. A strong network of alumni. Our alumni are well placed in law. Various districts of India, various cities are having our students as their judges. In journalism field, we had anchors in ABP, Zee, and other respected channels. So we are offering various courses. And the experience, the second question which you asked is the experience. The experience is very good. The students have lots of queries, and we try to fulfill their queries, and we hope we can get good number of admissions this year.
What is the experience being here, and what type of queries did you get from the students all throughout the day?
So if I could answer that, majorly students from class 10th, 11th, 12th have visited today, and the major queries are related to computer science engineering, artificial intelligence, data science. Also they had queries about placement, which companies have visited your university, and what extra they could get if they get admission in my university, extra edge about university. So such queries are there among students. Then there are queries related to ROI. Few students, very few, but they do ask that what could be the highest placement, how much money I would be able to get if I complete my program. So such queries are there.
That's the question that should be asked most, but most students do not ask it. Ma'am, I would like to know what are the top 3 courses that Shobhit University offer to the students?
So our flagship program, our MBA program, which is AI backed, specializations like fintech and then digital marketing. So such specializations are there. Then second one would be BTech Computer Science Engineering. and then integrated law programs, which we are offering 5 years, then 3 integrated law programs we are offering. So law, management and engineering are 3 programs in which I would suggest students that they could explore their career.
We would like to know, sir, IIMT University क्या बच्चों को ऑफर करता है, और पूरे दिन I could see that so many students were here, they were asking their queries. So क्या सबसे important उनकी career challenges रहे और क्या solutions आपने दिए?
IMT University is one of the oldest private universities of India. We started way back in 1994. So at that time, it was very rare phenomena that universities were not there, and we have started. And we are growing like anything. If you talk about our Greater Noida campus, we have no comparison. We have center of excellence like AWS, like Apple, like Salesforce. We are having Ladder Business Foundation, LBF. And if you talk about NCR market, it's also very rare. So we are very ahead with time. We are talking about a startup cell. We are talking about center of excellence. We talk about R&D cell also. We are working fine on it. We have scientists working on it. We have special projects, government funded projects. So I mean, this is a different career crafting altogether. We are not giving sound academics, but also we're giving wonderful placement, as well as we're working on center of excellence, startup cell and many more.
So we would like to know about this SRM University and what do it offer to the students, and what were the day felt like, what were the queries, what were the solutions that you gave to the students, and what were the basic challenges they are facing in their student life?
So, first of all, when we talk about SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Delhi NCR campus, Ghaziabad, I think it is needless to say that we are NAC A++, one of the leading institution in Delhi NCR, which is making sure that the students are getting their kind of infrastructure also, considering the intellectual capacity the students have got these days. These students are no more followers. They just want to do something which is out of the sight. They want to be entrepreneurs. They want to build businesses. They want to discuss things in Center of Excellence. They want to be a part of incubation cell. They want to figure out new things and make sure that India itself leads as our future leaders are getting ready with SRM IST Delhi NCR campus Ghaziabad. Yes, all the courses for BTech, for BBA, there is hotel management that SRM IST Delhi NCR campus offers. We have a SRM Modi Nagar College of Pharmacy. And yes, if ever get an opportunity, I would like to invite each one to come visit SRM IST Delhi NCR campus and see by your own self that how the college is prospering each and every student coming in and making future leaders of India. Yeah, thank you.
It was a huge career fair where many students from the Meerut schools, so many schools from Meerut and around the region came and visited, asked their questions to all the mentors, to all the career counselors, to all the universities, those who are here. They also guided them, as well as they also suggested what career options could be the best for them and what all courses do they offer to them. Best wishes to all the university. That's Sakshi Shukla from the Edu Bulletin. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned to the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721 7070 100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.